The Shark AI Ultra Robot is a mid-range robot vacuum. It sits close to the top of Shark's lineup of robot vacuums, above cheaper models like the Shark AI Robot and Shark Easy Robot Self-Empty, as it features both LIDAR mapping and self-emptying capability to reduce hands-on maintenance requirements. Its docking station also features an onboard HEPA filter to reduce the spread of allergens as it transfers debris out of its internal dustbin. The Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum was an excellent performer, with some minor flaws. It removed 97.8% of all debris in our tests, struggled with pet hair and long hair, and failed to avoid some objects. However, it expertly navigated our office space and has some great usability features, including a bagless auto-empty base station. Cleaning test. For our cleaning performance tests, we utilize for different debris types sugar, kitty litter, rice, and cereal on 3 different floor types: hardwood, low-pile carpet, high-pile carpet. We lay the debris in the cleaning path of the robot, let it clean on the maximum suction setting, and measure the amount of remaining debris by weight. Here are the results. Overall, 97.8%, hardwood, 99.8%, low carpet, 95.5%, high carpet, 96.0%. Across the board, cleaning performance was solid for the Shark AI, removing 97.1% of all debris on all floor types. The Shark AI excelled on the hardwood floor, nearly removing all of the debris and only leaving a very small amount of debris. Performance took a small dip on low and high pile carpets, though not by much. On both carpet types, the Shark AI left a small amount of sugar and kitty litter after the cleaning passes. That said, its performance on both was still better than average. On average, across all robot vacuums we've tested to date, robots removed 94.6% of debris on low-pile carpet and 95.9% of debris on high-pile carpet. While cleaning performance wasn't perfect, it is more than good enough for most homes. Long hair test. To test how well the Shark AI robot manages long strands of hair, we place 0.3 grams of hair in the direct cleaning path of the robot vacuum. We then run the Shark AI over it on the maximum suction setting, and check the floor and brush roll for any tangled/remaining hair. Long hair performance was a mixed bag for the Shark AI. It cleaned all of the hair off of the floor, but the majority of that hair tangled around the brush roll. Particularly, it would tangle around the ends of the brush roll, which is a common issue for robot vacuums. It was reasonably easy to remove. However, if you have a pet with long hair, be prepared to often check the brush roll for tangles or choose a more dedicated vacuum. Pet hair test. To check how well the Shark AI robot vacuum manages pet hair on high-pile carpet, we place 1.0 grams of pet hair and rub it into the carpet fibers. We run the robot on the maximum suction setting over the pet hair twice and measure how much hair remains. Pet hair cleaning on the Shark AI was PO. More than half of the pet hair rubbed into the carpet remained in the carpet after 2 cleaning passes of the robot vacuum. While I am sure with more passes the robot would be able to remove more, that will take more time. If you have a dog who sheds a lot, I would recommend a more powerful vacuum to deal with the fur. Should you buy the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum? I would recommend the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum if you're looking for the following features. Bagless maintenance. The Shark AI Ultra's auto-empty base comes with the bagless dustbin. This eliminates annual purchases related to dust bags, which is a great addition to the robot vacuum. Solid cleaning performance. In our cleaning performance test, the Shark Ultra was able to remove 97.8% of all debris across all floor types. On hardwood floors especially, the Ultra showed fantastic results, nearly removing all of the debris. Excellent navigation. While object recognition was questionable, overall navigational ability is not. In multiple cleaning tests, the robot was able to successfully navigate the space, not get stuck, and return to the base. Summary: while it has a few cons, the Shark AI Ultra does a lot of things right. It had fantastic cleaning results, especially with a 99.8% debris removal rate on hardwood floors. During our navigation test, it navigated our cluttered office space without getting stuck. Furthermore, it has features that enhance usability like the bagless auto-empty station. It did struggle with hair, but it is still a solid robot vacuum, all around.